Hey Dazers, so today's vlog is going to be about pranking. We're going to prank Hajia and Imam. I have here some Choco Milo that I ate. Actually, yeah, I think I ate all of them. And I'm going to put some Maggi cubes inside the Choco Milo and give it to Hajia and Imam. And they're going to eat it thinking that it's Choco Milo. I have Jau here to help me. Someone else here. Who are you? You're hiding your face. And I have Lukman over there. He wants to be on it. Jahu's gonna help me wrap them up. Right, Jahu? Mm-hmm. Right? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's get started. It's going to be exciting. So I just wrapped one up and we're going to use some glue stick to close it nice and tight. And haha, we're going to prank them so good. So... Say hey. Hey Dazers. I'm gonna take Hada for a swim at the Y. This is gonna be his first time in the pool. Are you excited, Hada? Say yeah. And it's actually gonna be a quick one because the Y is gonna close in like the next 40 minutes or so. So I just want to immerse him in the water and see how he is. All right, so we're going. Bye. Hey Dazers, so I don't think our swim is gonna happen tonight because it smells like Hadaf did something, and if he really did do something, by the time, am I shouting? Because I can't even hear myself because of the cap. But if he really did do something, by the time I change his diaper and get him ready for the pool, it's gonna be time to get out of the pool. So, and that means my sir can't go to the pool because you need to be at least 6 years to be on your own. I have to be in the pool with them.
And I'm gonna not go cry.
And you're not gonna cry. Yes, you're gonna be a big boy about it, right? So we're just gonna pray that Hadaf didn't do number 2, because if he did, we're not gonna swim today. Hajia she gets to swim because she's over 6, but Maysur and Hadaf and I can't go in the pool either. I mean, I'm not really gonna swim. I'm gonna try to help Hadaf get adjusted to the water. So
he's sleeping now.
Oh my goodness, and I think he's sleeping.
Yeah.
He just had his heavy rice. He had rice with tigamaga. I'm just kidding. And I think he had rice with cassava leaves. Yeah. So, all right, we're gonna go and see. Wish us luck. My sir, I closed the pool. Yeah, next time, okay?
And then who touches this?
Yeah, sorry.
Yep.
So the pool is closed. Kind of, wake up. Say hi. The pool is closed, unfortunately, because there's training today. So I'm gonna have to come back next week, inshallah.
Are you telling the truth? No. Did you hit him on the head? Tell me the truth. You're not in trouble. I just want to know if you hit him on the head.
Because the pool is closed, we ended up here at the daycare, and somebody is not happy because she just got her new swing here. She got her new swing here that she was excited to walk in the pool.
See, come here.
But unfortunately, the pool is closed because of training.
Excuse me. Don't say what. I want to talk to you.
Excuse me.
Hada? Monster truck?
No, it's a robot car.
Oh, robot.
Robot car. And look at this.
Oh, the car is a robot. The truck.
And look at this.
Haji, at least you're doing something good. You're helping clean up. So mad. Who do you think you are? Dazers. So today is the day I'm going to be pranking my kids. I am on my way to go pick them up. Well, I'm heading out right now to go pick them up from the masjid. And I have these two chocomilos. My cousin brought this one from Ghana for the kids. And I had this from Ghana that my in-laws brought me. I bought some Maggi cube. I think I showed you guys earlier. So this is the one with the Maggi cube. This is actually not Milo, it's Maggi cube. And I am totally gonna prank them. So they're gonna come home and I'm gonna have them sit here and ask them to, you know, say thank you to their aunt. I'll split it up for them and I'll mix it with some of the fake ones or some of the Maggi chocomilos. This should be fun. So stay tuned. Auntie Anissa brought some chocomilo from Ghana. Choco. I remember we used to eat out of. We used to eat this so much when we were little. And yeah, my kids are gonna enjoy it.
I love these.
I'm an adult now. I'm too old for this.
I still love these though.
I still love it, but I eat a little bit and I get tired. It's just too sweet for me now. I'm that old. It's too sweet for me now.
Okay, I'm gonna try one.
I'm old. That's what old people. Make sure I say thank you, Auntie Anissa.
Thank you.
But Hadaf, Hadaf still in that. Hadaf. Hadaf.
These are really good.
Hadaf. And they got some outfits. They're gonna try. Well, just the boys. My sir and Hadaf got some outfits. They're going to rock, and it's a 3-piece outfit.
Lucky. 3-piece.
Yeah. 3-piece.
These are really good. Oh my god.
Because they're from Ghana, the land of
Chocolate.
chocolat. The land of chocolat. Ghana makes chocolat.
Cocoa.
They produce cocoa, and cocoa is used for making chocolate.
And Indonesia.
Say something
Say something.
to her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know the daddy. Nana lala shanuna.
May siya na da daddy. Kanala siya nunca.
Mom, daddy, no.
Siya na da daddy. Hadaf.
Daddy, no.
Hadaf.
Me?
We're having a chocomilo eating competition here.
I'm winning.
Who's going first? I'm gonna win.
winning.
I'm winning. Okay, hear this crunch. Right when you crunch it, it's so good. I'm winning. Oh, what is this? Oh, it tastes like Maggi.
Let's see who's gonna find. I put 3. Let's see who's gonna find the next one.
You owe me one. You owe me one. I don't care.
Your mouth. No. You can only tell by putting it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's this one.
No.
It's this.
Because I mixed everything. They all smell the
This
same.
one.
Put it. Let's see.
It's this one.
Here, let me taste it.
Smell it.
Hey, sir, enjoy your chocomilo.
Okay.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Nasty! It's not funny! It's not
Go eat your chocomilo, Christina.
funny! Give me how to put them in there! It's not funny! How do you do that?
Imam, eat your chocomilo. We're
You
waiting.
only put 3? How'd you do that?
That was so nasty.
No, but how'd you put it in?
Imam, eat your chocomilo.
I'm so mad. I'm still mad.
Me too.
I'm still mad. Can't believe
Oh, so your mom ate some too, and he's trying to cover it with some banana.
No.
I finally did my prank! I got them good!
I'll thank you. Just
I
wait.
got them good! I pranked you! Yeah, no, I would cheat. You're an idiot.
Yummy.
I'll prank you.
Wow, what? Kakachi?
Just wait. I'll prank you.
But come clean it up.
Just wait. Just wait. I won't get my payback.
Wow, I had
Just
to waste
wait.
a whole.
Just wait. I'll get. my
Imam,
payback.
clean up.
I'll get my
Hada,
payback.
say clean up. Say clean up.
I will prank you.
Hada,
I will get my payback.
I will prank
say
you.
clean up.
I will prank you.
Look at you, you're a mess.
I will get my payback.
What did you think about the chocomilo, the Maggi chocomilo?
It's nasty.
So when I first saw it, I thought I was like, hey, it has a lot of chocolate. Delicious. I might be on a chocolate run. I thought it was chocolate. I thought it had so much.
So
then
much what?
what?
Okay, I will eat my
I have so
chocolate.
much what?
I
thought it had so much
I
chocolate
will
in
eat my chocolate. I'll eat my chocolate.
I got you guys good.
Don't worry, I will get
Proud
my
mom.
revenge.
You know what?
I'll get my revenge.
Hey Dazers, we are back with another shout out box. We got Hajia here with my sir. Say hi. Alright, they're gonna pick 3 friends and we're gonna give them a shout out. Alright, go ahead and shake, shake, shake. And 2, 3. Alright.
The first one is Hamama.
Hi mama, yummy.
I want to see.
Hey Hamama. Say Hamama.
Hamama, hi.
Thank you.
Mama.
Yes, Hamama, that's my girl. She was one of my kindergarten students. Yeah.
As you can see,
Alright,
Second is, make sure you want to read it.
no, you're gonna read it
Alright,
for me.
make sure Hajia read it.
Fatima Sai.
Fatmata Sai or
I want to
C.
see.
Fatmata C. Yay, thank you for the support.
Make sure.
Hajia, read the next name.
Last but not least
Fatima
is
Sai.
Fahad M.
Fatima
Hi.
Sai. Fatima Sai.
Okay, Fatima Sai. Fahad. Hey Fahad, that's my boy.
Okay, and then I have
That's my boy. He was my
Then I
kindergarten
have it.
student.
Okay,
He's
then
my
I have
sweetheart
it.
for the support.
I
Thank
didn't
you.
have it yet.
Like, comment, and
subscribe.
And don't if you want a shout out here in the comments below, press the last initial.